Morning, good morning. Welcome back, welcome back. We're live trading today, Thursday. I think today's Thursday. Want to give you guys that disclaimer real quick before we get started. Go ahead and take a second to look at that and read that. I am not a professional trader. Somebody trying to pass Topstep Combine 50K account challenge. So let's get into it. Put my screen back over here to the chart. We on the 4-hour time frame. Created this demand zone right here from this push up. We had the mega drop from FOMC yesterday. Let's see if we continue down. Big move down. I think we should have at least some type of retracement. See, cannot get Thinkorswim up for some reason. I don't know what's going on with Thinkorswim. Oh man, woke up a little tired today, so we'll see how things go. But speaking of, I think I want to be doing the ES today. See how we do on the ES trading panel. Trade evade, and I need to go ahead and take these over real quick. Alrighty, put that back on now. So I'm back on the account. Now I gotta do the levels all over again because this is another chart. Right there. That level right there. There. And right there. Upside targets. First one right here. One right here. Right there, I would say. Create that little demand zone that I had here. There you go. Thinkorswim, Not trying to work today. Let's see. Oh man, that sucks. I want my book map. Go to a smaller time frame. It should be 10 already. This thing is just not opening. What's going on here? Oh man. Did not mean to do that. Alrighty. See a little bounce already off that demand zone. long position there. Go ahead and buy one contract, trade, sell stop. Targeting these highs right here. Sell one limit. Oh, let's see how that works out. Without the book map, Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and let that move up, let that move up. That was a quick move up. Want to take quick profits. See if I can add another contract here. Buy another one right there. Adjust that to 2. Modify order. Probably gonna trim one here just to lower my risk a little bit. So I'm gonna sell one here. Modify my order here to 1. Gonna let that run to target. I'll take it off right there. And let's see. Up 152 so far. See if I can get the book map going now. Trader of 8 working pretty smoothly so far. We're up 215 on the day. See, 215 on the day. Book map's not working. Should I call it an early day? See 5-minute candles. Oh man. Maybe I hop on the other account since now I just got a nice little trade there. I'll make sure my orders all filled. You can log out this right here. Got a nice 200 on the day. And we can go over to Motive Wave. See if Motive Wave wants to open. Oh, I think Linker showing. Nope. Continue. Window, tile left. Well, will I even need this? Since the book map's not working, I can just put it on the other screen. So I'm not 2 accounts for Topstep. The one I just traded on is the new one, since I can use TradingView to trade on there. And then we have Motive Wave. It's a whole nother account. I'm up $806 on this account. So either make it or break it on this account. The goal is to hit 3,000. My platform expires on the 27th, so after that I can't use it anymore unless I pay another $24. But we're gonna just try to hit that 3K goal before the 27th. If not, I'm gonna leave it at whatever it is at. And if I get money, I'll just continue using that account so I can pay the 24 a month. But I don't think I'm gonna keep doing that. I'll probably just use the Trade08 account. Let me go ahead and remove this. Oh man. Let me take this out so you guys can see how you trade on here. And that's how you trade right there. Come on, man. Thinker swimmy, thinker swimmy, thinker swimmy. Thinker swimmy, swimmy, swimmy. Why isn't thinker swimmy working? Let me see if I can force quit this. Do it on here. Ah, there it is, baby. So it looks like I have to click on the desktop icon for it to work. Oh, let's get that book map up. Let's get that book map up. Let's get that book map up. It's loading in. Loading in. And let's make sure we're not on the practice account because that's how I ended up taking a trade on there. That was a winner. Should have been on my actual account instead of the practice account. Man, I was all over the place yesterday, trading, gambling on FOMC. I ended up the day green, which is good, but the trading was terrible. Absolutely terrible. The trading was garbaggio. Show you guys the book map now. Oh man. So I got in around over here on that move. Had a nice little push up. Wait for some structure to come in. On the 5 minute chart. 15 minute. See if we want to continue the downtrend. Let's go back to the chart here. Oh. Seeing that push up, that push up. Still seeing some buying come in. Waiting for some structure. That was an early candle play. Quick profits. It's quick, get it up. Quick scalp, quick scalp. Now we're on the other account. Let's see, account. I'm on this account right here. Up 800. See what happens if we blow it, or if we make something out of nothing. I already made 152 on the other account, so I'm gonna take that one a little bit more seriously. This one's just for fun, since I only have until the 27th. What's today, the 21st? I have 6 days left. Oh, 12 points, wow. Been a nice little trade there on the other account. See what structure we form here. Maybe we can make reverse head and shoulder structure. Don't want to predict, just want to react. So, gonna delete that. Oh. 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. Oh man. Yawning a lot today. Let's see. See if we can finesse another 10 points out of the markets. Right now, we either wait for a pullback, see if we can see some selling come in. Gonna move my camera. Move that down here, so you guys can see the order execution over here. See if we can see some sellers come in over here at VWAP on this micro level. Right at VWAP too. We either blow right past it, start rejecting. See a big order block right there, the 415s. See if buyers want to touch that order, get filled. On the sell side, we have 30 seconds left on this candle. See what happens at the end of this candle and the beginning of the old candle. Oh man. think you guys may be able to hear the guy cutting grass out there. Don't mind him. See, we start seeing some selling here. Might want to go in short here at VWAP. One contract. Depending on how price reacts, right back to these levels. Even maybe back down to here. That's still 10 points, not bad. Still 10 points. So stop is the 1850s. 1850s, but we have a big order there on the book map. Let me show you guys here on the book map how it looks, that order. So let me go on the screen, see guys, this order right here, it's a sell order. Usually we like to break through those orders, fill everybody on the passive side. See if we can touch that order, start rejecting down. I may be interested in scalping short to the downside. Scalping means you're pretty much just getting in, getting out quick move. I see a fat order probably gonna come in here. Show you guys over here now. See some nice rejection there. Let's sell the market here. So 1850. Take a stop order there. Sell to. Oops. Do a stop order. Just make that to 2. Modify that right there. Currently up 100. See that selling coming in. I'm gonna sell 1. So, oh, right back at break even. I need to move my camera over. I cannot see for some reason. So, going to reduce my risk here and buy 1 at the market. Change this order back to 1. Let's take these out right there. And let's flatten here. Alright. Made a quick 150 right there. Off of that quick rejection. Need to be able to stick to my targets a little better with a runner, but hey, it's the E-mini. We're risking $50 per point. Otherwise, I'd be losing 500. So let's keep it pushing. So I'm up 150 on this account, 250 on the other account. I think that's about give or take 450. I'm not really good at math. So what should I do? End it here, call it a day, keep pushing. That's where a good trader separates himself from a bad trader. A good trader knows when to walk away. A bad trader just keeps on going. So with that being said, how many more days? Let me look at the calendar. How many more days we have here? The 27th is next Wednesday. So I really have 1 trading day, 2 trading days, 3 trading days left. 3 trading days left. On this account. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the book map so I can show you guys what I saw there. Like I said, we touched that order, could not break past it. That's a sign of resistance right at VWAP. So I took it short quickly for the downside, and it's still going. So two nice trades this morning, all within 25 minutes. So oh man, see some aggressive selling there still. Show you guys the chart. See if we start making something like this over here. Okay, then had a little lag there. Happens. This was on the 3-minute time frame, by the way. The way you know my time frame is by looking at this little box right here in the top left. It says 3M. M stands for minute. So 3-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 45, 1 hour, 4 hour. Those are my top time frames. Sometimes I look at the day. I barely look at the day, honestly. I'm more of an intraday trader. I take my trades throughout the day, so you can't look at the day. Let's pull up the day for you guys. So that's what the day looks like. Looks like a fat head and shoulders. So we actually can see new levels being tested, like down there on the daily. So I love technical analysis. It's pretty much the same on every single time frame. Just plays out differently on the different time frames. On the day time frame, you'll be seeing a daily move. So it could take a whole day to play out. As for the 5-minute time frame, it could take 5 minutes to play out. I was on the 3-minute time frame when I first started this session right here, and this took about 10-15 minutes to play out. So that's why I use the smaller time frames, because I like quick trades. I'm not really a long-term type of trade. Anything past like 10-15 minutes I'm not used to. It's not my style, but I do want to be able to get into that style so that I can hold to my targets more. We had 2 trades so far that hit target. Yet did I capitalize on the whole move? No. Something I need to work on. Transparency is key. Right here, I got out like over here, I believe. Made 250 on the day. If I would have got out here, it would have made probably like 1,000. That's crazy how much of a difference it is. Got in over here on the sell side. Look at where we're at now, right to my target. Another $1,000 move, probably 9 points, 2 contracts. Even though I'm thinking about holding only 1 contract, so let's say 500, 475 max, minimum, I mean. So you're not gonna catch the whole move always, but we gonna see. And I just created these levels like live for you guys, so you guys can see here that these levels are pretty accurate. This demand zone right here, excuse me, this demand zone here, guys, was pretty accurate.
We hit the demand zone, we bounced right off of it, created some demand there. So I see one swing, another swing. We need this little area of support to be respected, or else now we go right back to these lows. Maybe we make a new low, continue the trend. We have this trend, downtrend right here. 1, 2, 3. We didn't make a new high, but we haven't made a new low either. So if we can make, what did I just delete? Oh, that's what I deleted. If we can make a new high, then maybe the trend starts to change. We can start to make a higher high. So we haven't made a lower low, so maybe we can make a higher high, like over here. Retest, go right back up to this level. And I see some aggressive buying stepping in there. See if we can get something like this to head us back up that way. The tape is not looking too promising. Still see sellers. There you go. Start to see some invalidation there. Could be a wiki wick. For you guys that don't know, a wick is the little lines that come out of the candle. So this is the candlestick. This is what I like to call the wick. These are the little wicks, the lines at the top. Candle and then the candle wick. So on a green candle, so I have my candles blue, my green candles blue, right? Wow, look at that move. Might have to get in here real quick. So I can buy the market here. And I'm gonna set a small stop right there. I'm gonna set a small stop. Stop order. 44.01.50. I see some aggressive buying coming in on the tape. And it would validate my thesis for inverse head and shoulder. So just wait, not hesitate. See, let's see. Take the L or we take the W. Anything can happen. The possibilities are random. The probabilities are random as well. See if we want to see some defense. See some defense here. Not gonna double down just yet. Might add a contract once I see some aggressive buying step in. So far, no buying. On the tape. Now I see that buying picking up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one. Modify my order here. I'm gonna protect one contract right here. Protect one contract right here. Trade, I'm gonna take a limit order. Let's see. See that? I saw that aggressive buying come in, so I added one so I can take some quick profits. See if it was a bad decision or not. If we get smoked right here. See if we start to get smoked. So need to see some big fat green bubbles come up on bookmap so we can start heading up, baby. That motherfucking gray goo, baby. Are starting to see some buying come in Cito. So we're going to sell one at the market soon. You know what? Fuck it. I'll hold it for you guys so you guys can see if I take the L or we just take a nice little win here. We're up 100 so far, so gonna let this shit rock. Up 150, 200. I'm definitely selling one now. And now in one more. I'm gonna leave my stop at break even. Make this trade risk free. Make this trade risk free. Let it rock. Let it ride to the top. I get stopped out at break even. Be a little unfortunate, but it is what it is. It's better than taking profits now and then seeing that shit skyrocket to the moon. So let's see how it goes. Do we skyrocket or do we get stopped out at break even? Hopefully it's break even. It's just one contract here. It's looking more like a break even to me. Okay, there we go. Now we're starting to move up. I want to hold to these highs. I want to hold to these highs. We can just get another push from buyers. I do not see any follow-up from buyers so far. No follow-up from buyers, so I'm probably going to flatten here. And as soon as I get out, watch, we're going to skyrocket. We're going to skyrocket as soon as I get out. So we're up 312 now on this account. Right here you guys can see. I'm going to call it a day here, guys. Had a nice little trading session today for you guys live. There goes that skyrocket. Of course. But it is what it is, baby. It is what it is. I did not see no follow up until like last second once I got out, like I usually call it. I call that. So some good scalping right there. We're gonna go ahead and call it a day there. I was able to identify these moves using the book map. Let me guys just show you guys the book map real quick before I head out. So this is where I got out right here because we started to dip down, but of course this order came in and then we started to get those big buyers come back. We started to see sellers here, so I got out just to protect myself. Wow, look at that. Look at it go. Look at it go. Another nice trade. Could have been a nice $500 trade right there. So now let's see what's the count at. So we're at 1,102 in profit on this account now. Might have to take it easy from here now, but yeah, I have until the 27th on this account. Oh wait, I'm not even showing you guys my screen. Let me show you guys this screen here. So yeah, look, this is account 51, 102, 33. Started the day at 5806. No positions open, only one closed position, 312 on the day. With that being said, hope everyone has a good trading day. If you guys are trading, let me know down in the comments. Like this video, push it out with the algorithm. I know no one's even been watching this, so except for like my girl Mercedes. Thank you, Mercedes. Um, but this is more like for practice to get my skills up on commentating live, on trading live, and improving live. So if you guys like content like that, go ahead and subscribe. Put those notifications on so you guys can get alerted when I do go live. And you guys can see the good and the bad days. I took a L beginning of the week. Yesterday was an absolutely terrible day for me, even though I made profit. I just took way too many trades. Took like 6, 7 trades, and I was down like 500 at one point, and ended up the day like 212 in profit. So it is what it is. Hope you guys